Welcome to YNOS Venture Engine, your gateway to connect with the right investors. Click here to manage your profile and get started. Select My Startup Details from the drop-down menu. Complete each section and click Save to move forward. This ensures your profile is ready for investor discovery. Click the Next button to proceed with the process. Press the Save button to successfully save your changes. Visit Angels to explore angel investors and start identifying your ideal backers. Use Angel Background to explore investors by city, age, network, and more. Narrow down investors based on the type of startups they've backed from sector to support received. Refine your search based on founder traits from background and experience to team diversity. Filter by how often and how much angels invest from recent activity to funding round size. Use this section to identify angels based on their industry focus, from broad sectors to specific niches. Click Refresh to apply filters and view matching investors. Select the profile image to view investor details. Use the download icon to quickly access your reports. Click on Personalize Note to create your note for communication. Initiate a LinkedIn connection with the investor through a customized message. Connect with the investor by sending a well-crafted, personalized email. Check the box to confirm sending your email successfully. Use the Regenerate feature to get improved results. Finally, click on Send Email to complete the process smoothly. Access My Recommendations to explore tailored suggestions. Click on the element to view further details or options.